Welcome to our tutorial about section views. First, I'm going to bring in the drawing toolbar. We right-click anywhere on the main menu, navigate down to Drawing. Now I'm going to activate the section view. As you see, SOLIDWORKS activated the line tool for me. I'm going to touch this circular edge, and then I'm going to sketch a line through this edge. SOLIDWORKS gives me a warning. The section line does not completely cut through the bounding box of the model in this view. Do we want this to be a partial section cut? Yes, that's okay. I'm going to drag and drop this section view right here. To change the view direction, double-click on the parting line and then click Update. As you see, the direction has changed. Let's do it again. Update. There you go. Next, I'll insert a center line and create an alignment section view. Center line. I'm going to touch this circular edge. And this one here. Right-click, select, and let's shift select these two lines as well. We'll add a parallel relation. Click OK. Next, I'm going to select this center line and go to Aligned Section View, or select Insert, Drawing View, Aligned Section. And I'm going to create this view somewhere here. Let's review the view direction. Click Update, and OK. Now let's clean our drawing up a little. I'm going to Control select all the lines which I don't need. And let's right-click, select Hide Edges. If needed, we can also change the hatch pattern on the drawing. Simply click on it. The Area Hatch Fill Manager opens. We can select a material crosshatch, Solid, None. We can also change the hatch pattern as well, and the hatch angle. Let's cancel out of that. Now let's insert some dimensions. I'm going to start from the overall width, as well the overall length. Now let's insert an angular dimension. The width and length of the pocket. The diameter of the hole. The fillet radius. Let's also specify the position of the pocket. As well as the distance between the holes and the position of the holes. Okay, what else am I missing? The length of this line and the length of this side. Okay, let's insert a few more important dimensions. The thickness of the plate, the depth of the pocket, and the fillet radius. Let's add a comment to our fillet. Typical. Okay, let's zoom to fit. And this concludes our tutorial about section view.